Ito po yung Smart One Head. Nagamit po ito ng 6 na araw na may total meters na 170. Ito po yung printer head. Hindi pa ito napapalitan. Ito naman po yung capping na meron pong 95% good condition. Head cleaning. Punasan ng wiper after head cleaning. Nozzle test. Dito naman ang ABR at ground wire. Dito naman ang ink tank. Tama lang po ang level. Waste tank. Manilinis lang po kanina. Nandito naman po ang in-use ink. Dito naman ang aming stocks at unused ink. At Sablé rolls. Ito naman po ang nagamit kong CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, at black. Sablé roll 1.55. Daily output record. Printer daily checklist.